Hello you guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to automate tasks using ClickUp. If this guide helps you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel. So to do that, we're going to go ahead and log into ClickUp and we're going to select automate right here on the top right hand corner. Then you're going to select create an automation. And now you're going to have two different categories. So trigger will be the thing that will trigger the action. So the outcome of whatever task that you want to automate. And then the action is going to be the result of that trigger. So let's go ahead and create an example. Let's go ahead and click and add a condition. So I'm going to go ahead and create this trigger. So every day, so I'm going to select every day on Monday. So weekly on Monday at 9 a.m. starting today, April 13, 2026, I'm going to get an action. And that action can be, I can get a new task. So every Monday at 9 a.m., I'm going to create a task that says go to the gym. You can then ask whatever task ID or name or description you want, but this is not mandatory. You can then move this task to your personal list, or in case you work with your teams, you can also select a team space. I'm just going to leave it on my personal list. You can select from all of these different templates, but since this is a simple example, I'm not going to do that. You can add a description, a priority, a due date, and all that stuff. So what you're going to do is you're going to personalize it depending on what you do need, and then you're going to simply click on create. And that is it, you guys. In case you want to turn the automation off, you can toggle this off, and then you can go back and create any new automations that you need. I hope that helped.